Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to add text to photos on iPhone. If you want to add text to photos on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do this. First you have to open your Photos app and here just select the photo which you want to add text, as I'm going to select this one. So select it and here the added option, which are some lines, 3 horizontal lines. You just have to tap on it, then tap on marker icon, and here you have to tap on plus icon and then select add text, and here you just have to tap on it and then your notepad will be open. You just have to enter text which you want, as I'm going to enter a poll. Just enter it, then tap on done, and here you can move it. Just tap on it and you can easily change its colors, font. So that's how you can add text to photos on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.